Welcome, OLS parents and students. My name is Ms.Wessely, and I am the art teacher at Barack Obama School of Leadership and STEM. I look forward to having a great year in art virtually.
Welcome, family and friends. I am Ms.Herschberger, and I am OLS's Horticulture and Agriculture teacher. And whether we're in remote learning or face-to-face in the classroom, it's my goal that I can bring our lessons alive to your child so that they're engaging and they have fun and learn a lot. I will be sending home a growing kit so that they can do actual hands-on experiments and observe some plants growing. And I look forward to meeting you soon.
Hello, my name is Miss Mack and I teach physical education here at OLS. I'm very excited about being your teacher this year. Even though it's virtual, we are still destined for greatness. Bye.
Welcome to the STEM Lab at OLS. I am your STEM Lab facilitator, Ms. Hudson. One of the goals of my classroom is that students will become acclimated with the coding process by using various programs, such as Scratch. Upon completion of my course, it is my hope that students may want to pursue a career in the STEM field.
I am Mr. Bittner, and I am the Creative Media Arts Teacher. This is my first year in this position and my first year in the district, but I'm very excited to get started. Ms. Collins, who is the broadcasting side of CMA, and I are working hard to make creative media arts a fun and engaging experience for students. It is our goal to help students utilize the technology at our disposal to create some fantastic media.
Hi, I'm Ms.Webb, and I am the instructor for Music for Performance. In my class, it's my desire that your students will, through the introduction of basic tools of music, be able to express themselves and have a greater awareness of themselves and others. See you soon.